Good morning, everyone. Good morning. A great start to the weekend. And starting with the right investment of time. So today's session is very special. We will be covering one of the most prominent these days, the health challenge, and that's back pain. So are we ready, guys? Am I audible and visible? Good morning, Rakesh. Good morning, Vijayalakshmi, Hathira, Joseph. Good to see you all. Good morning, Dipti and Sipra. So I'm audible and visible. Perfect, guys. Great. So we are ready with our mats, right? That's the first requirement. Yeah, great. So guys, as I mentioned that, we will be talking about back pain today. So back pain is one of the most common reasons, people go to the doctor or miss work. And it is a leading cause of disability worldwide. And most people have back pain at least once. Yeah. And fortunately, we can take measures to prevent or relieve most back pain episodes. And if prevention fails, simple home treatments and proper body mechanics often will heal your back within a few weeks and keep it going. Yeah. But again, it is very uncomfortable. So what precautions, what exercises we can, involve in our day-to-day life so that we can avoid the back pain at the first place. Yeah. And yoga is one of the best thing which we can adopt in our life. So guys, it's not about, getting into shape once. It is all about, adopting those healthy practices as part of our lifestyle. So yoga is among that. And yoga is not a religion, it's a science. It's a science of well being, science of youthfulness, science of integrating body, mind, and soul. Yeah. And we are very fortunate today that we have an expert who will be sharing that, how we can avoid back pain and what precautions, what measures we can take while if we have a back pain. And with the yoga asanas and none other than Ramya Vasant. She is an expert. She is a certified yoga trainer with an experience of more than 8 years. And she was among the top 6 Karnataka state level yoga champions title holder. And now part of a creative yoga foundation and conducting classes for all age groups. And under her guidance, under her mentorship, people have recovered from a lot of health issues like PCOS, stress, and other stuff. So, pay huge attention, just focus and relax. Give this 1 hour, 45 minutes to 1 hour dedicatedly and understand the mechanics, how we can, be healthy and fitter and live a life to the fullest. And here to you, Ramya, and I welcome you on behalf of Fume, and we are really fortunate to have you. Over to you, Ramya.
Hello, everyone. Namaste first. Okay, so it's a very good opportunity, one more opportunity to meet you guys and have another good session with you guys. So last session, I have got a very good comments, and all you guys commented like you like my class and session. So again, I'm taking this very good opportunity to teach you back pain and shoulder pain and neck pain, how to get rid of from that. But if you practice yoga regular, if you practice this basic back pain exercises and neck pain issues, so you can come out. So that pain, you can know it will not, how to tell, the pain, people are having, going to hospital for physiotherapy. Okay, so the back pain issue, the people, most of the people are working from home. Okay, so the sitting posture is not good. Okay, the sleeping posture is not good. And the younger generation and for the kids also, okay, so they will not, even a single kid or not even a generation people, they will not sit down and for a meal also, they will not sit down and eat. So they don't know how to sit in Padmasana also. Okay, so sofa, chair is there. So what they are doing, how the sitting posture is totally different. The spinal cord, the compression, okay, so many issues are there. So come out of that, I'll show you small simple asanas, so how to practice at home itself. And when you are doing work from home in the chair itself, you can do how to come out from all the pains. Okay, fine. So sit in any comfortable posture. Vajrasan. One who is not able to sit in this posture, you can sit in Ardha Padmasana. Okay, this is half lotus. Okay, this will help you to open your hip. Yes, and this is also not comfortable. You can sit like this also. No problem. Whichever is comfortable, and you can say you can sit in chair also. So whichever is comfortable for you, you can sit and practice. Okay. Yes. Hands on your knees, hands on your thighs. Just sit straight. Chin mudra, ya dhyana mudra. Just close your eyes. Make yourself comfortable. Just relax and calm your mind. Breathe easy. Inhale and exhale. Concentrate only on your breathing. Breathe in, breathe out. Just inhale and take a deep breath. Breathe in. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly relax. Arab Namaskar Sthiti. Let's start with one Omkar. Take a deep breath. Breathe in. Relax. Rub your palm gently. Make your both the hands warm. Apply on your face and eyes. Gently massage your eyes. Open up your eyes and see the darkness in your hand. And slowly relax. So namaste all. So Bhumi Namaskar. Both the hands back. Broad your chest. Breathe in, bend back. And breathe out. Slowly bend forward and touch the floor. One who's not able to touch, that's okay. How much ever you can able to bend, just bend. Come up slowly. And relax. Relax yourself. Now free your legs. Feet apart. Sit straight. Sit. Don't sit like this. Don't sit. This arch should not come. So make your spinal cord straight. Take hand support. Okay? You can keep it back or you can do like this. So sit straight. And your knee, you should not lift your knee up. Just stay there. Tap. Free your legs. This is very good for varicose vein, ankle pain, swollen legs. Okay? Yes. Now rotate your ankle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Join your legs, join your feet. Now breathe in, stretch your feet front. So pull your feet front fully. So very good for your arm strength and for your varicose vein. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Stretch. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Slowly relax. Relax yourself. Inhale, exhale, and relax. And spinal cord twisting. Okay? Now breathe in. For the beginners, bend forward and touch the floor. You should not move your legs. Okay? Yes. Now breathe in again. Opposite side. Breathe in. People who can twist nicely. Twist back and head down. Breathe in. Out. 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 So this one you can practice with the chair also, with the help of chair also. Okay? Relax. Slowly. Sit in any comfortable posture. Yes. Start with neck exercise. Okay? So today the session will be like for neck pain, cervical disease, and shoulder pain, frozen shoulders, and back pain, L4, L5, slip disc. For that I am going to teach. Okay? Sit in any comfortable posture. So this posture or Titli Asana, Baddha Konasana. One who can able to sit, you can sit like this. Okay? Yes. Whichever is comfortable. Okay. Hands on your thighs. Now breathe in, close your eyes, breathe in, stretch your neck up. Breathe out, open your eyes and look forward. One who is having vertigo disease, vertigo problem. So open your eyes and practice. Breathe in, head up. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Slowly. Breathe in. Center. Breathe out towards your right side. Breathe in. Left side. Breathe in. Right side. Breathe in. Left out. Slowly relax. Clockwise rotation. Breathe in. Careful. And half breathe out. breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Anti-clockwise, breathe in, slowly you have to perform, out. Concentrate on your breathing, breathe in, out, breathe in, out. Come back slowly and relax. Relax yourself. Now, stretch your right hand out. Okay, opposite side. Bring your right hand towards your left side and lock with your opposite hand. Lock with your opposite hand and look away. Yes, right hand. Look left side. Stay there. Pull your shoulder this side. Yes, good. 1. Normal breathing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Breathe in, come back. Breathe out and slowly relax. Now, opposite hand. Stretch your left hand out. Okay, stretch as much you can. You should feel the pull here and for your shoulder. And lock with your right hand. Look opposite side. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come back and relax. Relaxes. Shoulder rotation. Hands on your hip or otherwise hands on your side. Otherwise hands on your shoulder. Okay. Ready? Clockwise rotation. 1. So both the elbows should touch each other slowly. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly relax. Relax yourself. Relax. Do it very slowly. Don't force yourself. Okay. So you can able to understand, right? Yes. Am I audible to you guys? Yes. Thank you. Yeah. Now, for your shoulder, frozen shoulder. Okay. So some people, they are not able to lift their shoulder, lift their hand. They are not able to lift fully, stretch and all. No. Why? Because their hands will be like this. That's all. So if they ask, people ask them to take something, that's all. This much only it will come. So for this, what you have to do, slowly, slowly, you can start doing this stretches. Okay. So keep your hand like this. Okay. Your elbow straight. Watch. Okay. Like this. Your elbow should be straight and lift your hands up. Your wrist should be up. Yes. Now slowly breathe in. Stay there. Hold. Here itself you'll get a very good stretch. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Again, breathe in. Lift up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now again, breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now again, breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly come back and relax. See, here you will get a pull. Okay, thus that will connect to your neck muscle, neck nerve and all. Okay, so slowly you have to practice this. Second one. Fine. Breathe in. Chest level, breathe in. Stretch your both the hands up. Stretch as much you can. And interlock your fingers and stretch your hand as much you can. Your shoulders should touch your ears. So lengthen your spinal cord and sit straight. In chair also you can practice. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Stay there so that your spinal cord also will be straight. Hold there. Normal breathing. 1, 2, 3. Enjoy the stretching. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Breathe in again. Breathe out and slowly relax. Relax yourself. Yes. One more time. Ready? Breathe in. Slowly lift your both the hands up. Stretch your body. Stretch your spinal cord as much you can. Yes. Now interlock your fingers and hold. Stay there. 1. Normal breathing. 2, 3, 4, 5. Your hand should not come forward. It should slowly pull back. Okay. Your face should come front. Your neck should come front. And your hand should go back. Watch. See, it should not be like this. Some people will be doing like this. No. So slowly stretch your back. Your hand should go back and your neck should come front. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come back and relax. Relax yourself. Yes. See, while doing these stretches, you'll feel like you will get pain here on your arms and here and all. See, back pain means like that only. If you practice these asanas, these stretches, you will get pain in some other thing, okay? Your hand and your hip side and all. But it will give benefit only to your back pain, okay? Your spinal cord, okay? Yes, relax. Relax yourself. Okay. Now, with the chair, I'll teach. Use a chair. Now, people working from home, your sitting posture, you will be sit like this only. Yes, with the laptop. And your leg will not be fully firmly down. So you will be like this. You will be doing like this. And you will watch the mobile like this. Okay. So for what happened, that compression, your spinal cord. So here that curve will be there. And here also no proper resting. Okay. So what you have to do, if it is a chair, first sit straight. See, if you sit back also, here the gap will come. Okay, that gap should not be there. So what you have to do, keep one cushion or sit straight. So come and sit straight. Yes. If it is not comfortable, keep one stool or something and keep your leg in that. So that the blood circulation will flow to your leg properly and you will not get any numbness or the blood circulation. If the blood circulation is not flowing properly, you will get a numbness. Okay. So sit straight. Breathe in. In chair itself, sit back and twist. So you will get a good stretch for your shoulder and for your spine cord also. L4, L5, slip disc. Okay, for people who are having aggravate back pain, you can do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly come back. Now opposite side. Breathe in. Twist towards your opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly come back. So you can do 10 counts. Okay, for basic, you can do only 5 counts. Okay, yes. Now second, for your back. Okay, what you have to do, hold your chair. Here. Yes. Now slowly bend your neck towards your opposite side. This is your stretch. Here you can feel your full stretch. Stay there. Nerve pull will be there. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Careful. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come back. Opposite side. Same way. Hold your chair. Opposite side. Breathe in and twist. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Careful. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come back and relax. Next, people will be sitting like this, no? So that's why you will get a more back pain, the compression. If you go to hospital, they will be giving you this traction. So they will pull your muscles. Okay, for back pain, the very good exercise is stretching your body. If you do more stretching, the back pain you can reduce. Okay, what we have to do? Both the hands back. Interlock your fingers, broad your chest. Otherwise, yes, stay, hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come back and relax. Relax yourself. Yes. Second thing. Okay. Breathe in, stretch your right hand up. Now breathe out, slowly tilt your body towards your opposite side. Stay there. Your hand, you should stretch your hand as much you can. Not comfortable, lock with your other hand also. Stay there. 1, broad your chest and look up. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one, people who are having back pain, one who is not able to sit down and do. So this is an easy posture and you can practice. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Relax. Opposite side. Stretch your hands up. Left hand up. Length your spinal cord and breathe out. Stay there. 1. Look up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come back and relax. Relax yourself. Free your legs and relax. Relax. And you can perform like when you are using laptop. What you have to do, take your one leg up and you can do work. Okay. So here also you will not get any numbness. The blood flow will be there. Fine. You will not get any tightness on your hip region. Fine. You can do opposite. Some tea break or like that. You can practice like this. Okay. 1, 2 like this. Yes. This will release your hip joints. Give a good muscle for your tailbone. Okay. Relax. Relax yourself. Fine. Let's go for asanas. Yes. First asana. Parvatasana, mountain pose. Okay. So people who are already doing yoga, so they know how to do. First, drop both the feet down. Your feet should be grounded. Stretch your hand as much you can and stretch your spinal cord. Okay, see my spinal cord. It should be straight. So you should not give this arch like this and all. You should not do. So one who is not able to drop your feet grounded, what you have to do? Lift and bend your knee. You can bend your knee and stretch your hand. Stretch your spinal cord as much you can. Look up and stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Drop your both the legs down and Shashanka. This is very good for your relaxing, calming asana, and this will calm your mind. Just relax. One who is not able to do this Parvatasana, the back pain people, the elderly people, some people will be having some surgery and all, so they will be facing so much of back pain. So they are not able to sit down and they are not able to perform. So what we have to do, the chair is there, no? Chair, keep the chair. Keep the chair See, so for back pain, people will not bend forward, so they feel like you should not do like, but you can do. But with the help of the chair and all, you can practice. Stretch your hand and bend as much you can. Look up and stay. Stay there. You can. Yes, good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The same benefit, the same stretch you will get. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come back and relax. Free your legs and relax. So this one you can practice. Yes. Second variation, Bhujangasana. Now sleep on your tummy. Sleep on your tummy. Yes. Hands on your shoulder level. 3 variations. First, drop your hand down, your elbow down. Now breathe in. Lift up. This much only. Lift your toes out. This much only. Yes. You will get a good stretch on your spinal cord. Stay there. 1. Normal breathing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly relax. Relax yourself. Second variation, widen your leg. Open your legs. Open your feet. Okay? Now breathe in. Without stretching your elbow, breathe in and lift up. That's all. See my elbow? Fold your elbow and push your back. Stay there. 1, 2, 3. Squeeze your buttocks and hold. 4, 5. Good. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly come back and relax. Now, third variation. Join your legs, feet together. Pointing toes out. Now breathe in. Lift up fully. Okay? Hands back, hands straight. Like a cobra. So one who's not able to join your legs, you can open, widen your leg. Now breathe in. If you are comfortable and bend back. If you bend back, it's good for thyroid muscle, thyroid glands. 1, 2, 3, push, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly come back and relax. Relax yourself. Slowly. Shashanka. What we have to do? Join your both the feet. Open your thigh. Open your legs. And drop your chest down. Chin grounded. If you're not able to drop your chin down, you can drop your head down. Stay there. You will get a very good stretch on your back, spinal cord. Okay? Yes. So come back slowly and relax. Relax yourself. Yes. Now, second asana, cat and cow. Like this. Okay? This is also, if you are comfortable, your toes out or toes in, whichever is comfortable. Okay? Now, first watch your shoulder, your hand should be shoulder level. It should not be like this. And it should not be like this. So lock shoulder level. Okay? Yes. Now breathe in. Push your buttocks back and you should give a wave here. Now breathe out. Compress your chest and give an arch. Ready? Breathe in. Push your buttocks back. Breathe out. Tug your tummy in. Give an arch. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Stay, hold it. Here you will feel the stretch here. Very good for thyroid muscle, thyroid glands, and good for your spinal cord. Hold 5 counts. 1, normal breathing. 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out. Yes, good. Stay there. 1, 2, tug your tummy in. 3, 4, and 5. Slowly relax. Relax. This one who's not able to do this cow and cat pose, what we have to do, sit in any comfortable posture. Now breathe in, broad your chest. Now breathe out and compress it. Hug yourself. Okay? Same benefit you will get. Now breathe in, broad your chest. Yes. Breathe out and hug yourself. Yes. Good. Cat and cow pose. Breathe in. Broad your chest. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Relax. Slowly relax. Fourth asana. All basic asanas, you can do it at home. So that's why I'm teaching all these simple asanas. Okay? Yes. Fourth asana, Kapotasana. Okay? Pigeon pose. This, what you have to do. Parvatasana posture first. Okay? Now slowly lift your right leg up and fold your right leg and drop. Place it front. Okay? So you should not lift your buttocks up. You should drop your buttocks down. I'll show you. Watch. Lift your right leg up. Fold your right leg and place it front. Place it front. Okay? See, my leg will be 90-degree front. You will feel the stretch here on your tailbone, and this is very good for your L4 and L5 pain. Okay? Lower back pain. Fine? Yes. So sit like this. Stretch your leg as much you can. Leg should be there. Yes. So when you are sitting this posture itself, you will get a very good stretch on your back. So slowly keep your hands back. Slowly push your upper body back. How much ever you can able to stretch your back, stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now slowly, if comfortable, both the hands up. Slowly stretch. Yes, stretch your body as much you can and stay there. Stay there. Hold the posture for 5 breath. 1, 2, one who's not able to bend, just stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly come back to Parvatasana. Opposite leg. Lift your left leg up. Fold your left leg and drop. You should sit. Yes. Okay? If you're not able to do like this, you can widen your leg. Open your leg, little more far away, 90 degree, and stay there. You can slowly push your body back. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Take hand support and slowly bend down and touch the floor. One people who can able to stretch your hand out, you can do. Otherwise, stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly come back and relax. So this posture, it will lengthen your spinal cord from head to toes. Okay, from your neck region till your toe, it will pull your body. Okay. So what all the compression you are having, that will come out. Fine. So in chair, how you should do, one who's not able to do it down, in chair I'll teach you. Place your chair here. Okay. Right leg. Very careful. It should not be a plastic. If it is a plastic chair, take wall support and practice. Okay. See, take support. Lift fold your leg, right leg, and stretch. The same stretch you will get. Yes. Take hand support and pull back. Like a pigeon. Yes, stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If you are really comfortable, both the hands back and bend back. This is like same like Bhujangasana. Hold, stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come back and relax. Okay? Same opposite leg you have to practice. Take hand support and sit. Same. Okay? 5 counts you can practice. Hold the chair. Push. Hold. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Relax. Relax. Now, fifth asana. Ardha Masendra and Marine Chasana. Okay. Stretch your both the legs front. Here, now slowly fold your right leg and cross it towards your left side. Your right leg, just cross. This is very good for diabetes also and for back pain issue and for weight loss, tummy reduction. Now breathe in, lift your left hand up, pull your right thigh and look back. Okay? And look back. Stretch as much you can. Your shoulder, your neck, your shoulder blade and neck should be in straight line. See, there is no gap between my thighs and my abdomen. Okay? Yes. Pull back and hold. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly come back. See, because these are the back pain asana, so I'm giving only 5 counts. If you can able to perform more than 5 counts, 10 counts also you can practice. Okay? Opposite leg. Now cross your left leg down. Now bring your right hand, lock, and slowly stretch back. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly come back and relax. Relax yourself. Marine Chasana. Okay? Next, lay on your back. Lay down on your back. Lay down on your back. People who are facing sciatica problem, so they can practice this. Now fold your both the legs. Feet apart, fold your both the legs. And slowly place your right feet on your left knee. Right feet on your left knee. Okay? Now breathe in. Interlock your left thigh. Interlock your left thigh. Not only for sciatica problem, this is good for your back pain also. You can practice. Now breathe in. Slowly lift your upper body as much you can and stretch your leg also. Stay there. 1. You can feel the pull on your thigh. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly come back and relax. Same. Lift your left leg and place it on your right knee. Now interlock your inner thigh, right leg, inner thigh. Now stretch. If you can able to lift your upper body, you can. Otherwise, just pull your leg like this only. Breathe in and up. 1, 2, 3. Good. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly come back and relax. Free your legs and relax. Next asana. Very simple asanas, okay? Matkatasana. Join your both the legs, both the feet. Okay? Hands on your head. Interlock your fingers. Hands on your head. Now breathe in. Drop your both the knees towards your right side and look away, opposite side. Again, breathe in, center. Breathe out, left side. Breathe in. Out, right out. Breathe in. Left out. Twist, twist. Enjoy the stretching, okay? Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now hold the posture for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly come back. Opposite side. Breathe in and out. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly come back and relax. Free your legs and relax. Relax yourself. Sedu Bandhasana, bridge pose. Fold your legs, feet apart. Hands on your side. Whichever is comfortable, hands on your side or hold your ankle joint. Whichever is comfortable, you can practice. Now breathe in. Slowly lift your pelvis up. Okay, as much you can. And lock your chin. This is very good for back pain, weight loss, and for thyroid. One who is not able to stay, just give support on your hip, elbow in, and hold. Stay there as much you can. Hold 1, 2, 3, normal breathing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly drop your pelvic down and relax. One who is not able to lift and hold, you can practice. You can hold the mat. Okay? Hold the mat. Just lift your pelvis up and down. Just breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in. This also you can practice. Breathe out. Slowly relax. Free your legs and relax. Last asana. Now breathe in, lift your right leg up. Now slowly cross your right leg towards your left side. Cross your right leg towards your left side and place your left hand on your right knee. Okay, right knee. Now breathe in, slowly push your knee towards your left side and stretch your hand out. Look away, stay there. Enjoy the stretching. You can feel the full body stretched. Okay, stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, stretch. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly come back and relax. Opposite leg. Lift your left leg up. Fold your left leg and slowly drop. See, you should take your hand support and press your knee and look away. Look opposite side. Enjoy the stretching. This stretch will help you for relaxing your back. So close your eyes and Stay there. Normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly come back and relax. Relax yourself. Slowly turn your body towards your right side. Slowly get up and sit in comfortable posture. Just free your hands. Just relax. So these are the 5 basic asanas for your back pain. Okay? Slip disc. See, 3 types of back pain is there. Upper back pain, middle back pain, and lower back pain. So all 3 back pain issue, you can practice all these small and simple asanas at home itself. And people who are working more than an hour, more than 7 to 6 hours in chair itself, you can practice. Okay? Yes, relax. Now let's go for Surya Namaskar, just for 3 to 4 rounds. Fine? Okay. Today I'll teach you chair Surya Namaskar. Who's not able to, the back pain people who's not able to bend forward and bend issues, so they can practice in chair. The same benefit you will get with the chair also. Okay? Yes. Take your chair. Sit in the chair. So normal basic Surya Namaskar, last session I showed you. So this one you can practice even in office also. Okay? Yes, sit straight. Yes. Same 10 steps. Adapt Namaskar Sthiti. Breathe in, breathe out. 1, 2, slowly lift your both the hands up and bend back. 3, breathe out, both the hands on your thighs. 4, breathe in, right leg up. Stretch your right leg up. Stretch. 5, breathe out, left leg also. 6, breathe in, bend forward. See, my thigh should be touching your abdomen. Your chest should be on your knee. Both the hands down, head up. 7, lift your right hand up and watch. Look up. 8, left hand up. 9, both the hands up, bend back. 10, and slowly relax. Second round, watch. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bend forward and drop your both the hands down. 7, 8, 9, and 10. With asana name I'll teach same way. Watch. Ready. 1, Namaskar Asana. 2, breathe in, Hasta Uttanna. Breathe out, both the hands on your thighs. Ekapadasana. Dvipadasana. Ashtangasana. Bhujangasana. Ekdasana. Left hand up. Hasta Uttanna. Namaskarasana. This is one who is not do Surya Namaskar in the floor. You can sit in chair and you can practice. Okay? Others? Mat front. Join your legs, join your feet. 12 steps. Adapt Namaskar Sthiti. breathe in, breathe out. 1, breathe in, bend back. 2, breathe out, bend forward. 3, breathe in, right leg back, knee down and toes out. If you can comfortable, roll your body back, head back and hold, stay there. 4, Dandasana, plank posture. 5, Shashanka, breathe in and breathe out. 6, Ashtanga, drop your both the knees down, chin down and chest down. Complete exhalation and hold your breath. Breathe in, Bhujanga. Breathe out, Parvata. Breathe in, breathe out, Shashanka. Breathe in, right leg forward, left leg down. 11, left leg also forward. 12, take a deep breath, bend back and relax. Relax. Sit in any comfortable posture. Vajrasana ya Sukhasana. Just relax yourself. Or go to Shavasana. Whichever is comfortable. Just relax your mind and body. Just relax. 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 Let's do Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama today. Okay? Siddha Nirodha Mudra on your left hand. Naushika Mudra on your right hand. Okay? Nadi Shuddhi. Left turn, right out. Right turn, left out. Okay? So this is balancing pranayama. This will help you to balance physically, mentally. Okay? Yes. So your thumb finger should be on your right nostril and ring finger and your little finger on your left nostril. Basic pranayama only. Anybody can practice. 5, 7, 11, like that you can practice morning and evening. Left turn, 4 counts. Right out, 6 counts. Right turn, 4. Left out, 6. Left turn, 4. Right out, 6. Right turn, 4. Left out, 6. Left turn, 4. Right out, 6. Right turn, 4. Left out, 6. Slowly relax. Closing session with one Omkar followed by Shanti Mantra. Adapt Namaskar Sthiti. Take a deep breath. Breathe in. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Rub your palm gently. Apply on your face, eyes, ears. Gently massage your eyes. Open up your eyes and see the darkness in your hand. And slowly relax. So namaste all. Bhumi Namaskar. Both the hands back. Slowly bend forward and touch the floor. Come up slowly and relax. So thank you all. So see you. So do practice this all back pain asanas and do comment in the comment box if you want. If you have any doubt, please comment. So I will reply you back. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Ramya, for the amazing session. The energy which you carry is so contagious that, after listening and seeing you only, back pain, neck pain, spondylitis, all kinds of pain will get scared and run away.
Thank you.
You are simply amazing. And I thoroughly enjoy your session. And I know everyone who is online have enjoyed to the fullest. So guys, let's have gratitude towards Ramya. Please drop your compliments for her, how the session was and how you felt after, attending the entire session, and your knowledge, the kind of knowledge which Ramya has shared, it's amazing, right? And you will not get anywhere. So let's, pay our gratitude and drop your compliments, and have a safe and a happy day and a great start to the weekend.
Thank you. Thank you all.